Alright guys, welcome back. This is Pratesh coming at you with another video. Today I wanted to bring to you guys some content focused on the longer term perspective of the crypto space and where I think that we're at currently and where we're going to be looking towards going into the future. A lot of people in the crypto community space follow Bob Loukas, who are interested in investing in crypto for the long run. And recently, Bob Loukas had just put out a video talking about this recent dip that we've experienced. Right now, the price of Bitcoin, we've come back up above 10K. Whether or not we stay above this level or not is anybody's guess. Based on what we're looking at here, there is definitely the possibility of another leg lower. But really, at this point, guys, it's just a matter of if you're allocated or not, right? If you're still sitting on the sidelines and if you're waiting, thinking about, okay, this Bitcoin thing isn't going anywhere, the price is fluctuating wildly, do I get in? Do I stay on the sidelines? Guys, really what we're looking at here is a long-term time perspective. And with the purpose of this channel, I would like to put out content for you guys to help inform you and keep you up to date with relevant news and mainly just talk a lot about mindset. I am studying a lot of things related to psychology, and trading this market does definitely plays a number on your mental. That is for sure. I've been involved with cryptocurrency now for a couple of years, few years, and I survived 2018. Like the entire year of 2018, I was averaging down. It was absolutely painful. I learned in hindsight that was actually the wrong thing to be doing. I should have been stacking cash. But hindsight is 2020, and the mistakes that I make by making these videos, I'm hopefully able to provide some value to you, maybe make something entertaining and you guys find informative. So that is my purpose behind this video, guys. Please be sure to let me know what you think. Drop your comments down in the section below, and don't forget to smash that like button. But anyway, to get into this video, I wanted to go over just a few things here. So we're looking at the coin market cap. I just recently discovered night mode. Cheers to DataDash for mentioning that new feature. That's really cool. It's going to save my eyes for sure. But so price right now, we are at above 10K, and the market is mixed right now. Looks like we're still consolidating a little bit. To be totally honest, guys, I do feel like there is potentially the chance that we do drop lower. And honestly, I would be totally fine with that because I am allocated. My position is mostly complete. Right now, I'm just taking advantage of these amazing discounts. So, I'm not really fretting about it. I'm not interested in selling to take profits at these levels. A lot of people are freaking out about a 30% correction when that is totally what we should have been expecting. Based on the previous bull market and the trend that it presented, the correction I think was well needed, was very healthy, and we'll see once we resume, how high we go. But that's just where I'm looking at it and my mindset about it. Let's go here to Bitcoin dominance. Just take a look. Bitcoin dominance, guys, definitely has been crushing it as of lately. So here we are, total market capitalization. So we did peak and now we are bouncing here. We're looking for a bottom to find support. Total coin market cap dominance. So Bitcoin dominance definitely on the rise. I don't really see this trend slowing down anytime soon. I think in the near term, the attention is focused on Bitcoin. Absolutely. Right now, Bitcoin is at such a key level. Right now, holding above 10K. I mean, everybody's got their attention fixed on Bitcoin right now. So I think that presents itself an opportunity for those of us who do like to take a little bit more risk. I'm looking at these altcoin projects that do have very good fundamentals. They've got good teams. Their use cases are there. Institutional money. And I'm not talking about any of these coins in the top 20 or top 50. I'm talking about like 10, top 15, like up there, right? So that's what I'm looking at, guys, taking advantage of these low prices. Here I've got the Bitcoin chart pulled up on the daily. on TradingView. Just wanted to talk a little bit about what we're looking at here with some of the different indicators. Now, before I get into this, guys, I would just like to mention to you real fast, if you have not already checked out Bob Loukas, I could not implore you enough to check out his channel, because I think that more than understanding the technicals about, you know, using fancy chart patterns and drawing lines and whatnot and trading, I think that you are much better off looking at this venture as a long-term investment and treating it as a business. And I think Bob Loukas does a great job of sharing his perspective with his years of experience, and you know, and talking about how he views it, what his perspective is on this market and how he acts and reacts to the different things that occur. I mean, we saw this 30% correction, and for somebody like Bob Loukas, who has trained his mind and who's mastered his emotions, he wasn't fazed by it. And that was his latest video. I would definitely recommend you guys check out his channel. Check out his latest video. I enjoyed it a whole lot. Bob Loukas, shout out to you. You are a huge inspiration for everybody in this community. But here in this video, I just wanted to zoom out on the daily. You know, here what we're looking at is a number of years on the daily time frame. The overall trend has been up, of course. We have seen swings, highs and lows, ups and downs. But if we zoom into where we are recently, you know, we've got our swing low and our swing high. Got a Fibonacci pulled up here. And there's this trend line that we've been respecting. We did have a correction. We broke through this trend line, and we tried to bounce up, and we touched it, but we were not able to close above it. See, this red candle was not able to close above this trend line, which leads me to believe that there might be further downside to be expected. You know, that's just healthy consolidation. Right now we've got the MACD in oversold territory. We've got the RSI breaking below this horizontal support and not able to close up above it. So what I'm looking at, guys, we might have another buying opportunity. Really, in the grand scheme of things, I don't want to be selling my allocation at these levels. Even if we are going to be going lower, I mean, there's no way to know that until it actually happens. But just be ready. Be ready. Anticipate anything. Be ready and have a plan. That's really the purpose of this video. Just to talk to you guys a little bit about where I see the price going over the next few days in the immediate term. But really, I mean, we're here for the long run. So I would say this would be a perfect opportunity for those of you who have not yet committed to an allocation. If you are looking for an entry point, you might be able to find some decent, you know, decent discounts, relatively speaking. You know, buying Bitcoin above 10K, that's definitely not something I'm willing to do. I'm just dollar cost averaging, right? But if you have not allocated your position yet, this might be the time to get in. So, and you know, this level is very confluent with our Fibonacci retracement. You know, we were not able to close above this trend line, but then here, right where we might find some immediate support is right here at this 0.5 level, right? This 0.5 level, we bounced here back in 2008. You know, we bounced right here again. We came back to touch it multiple times, and same thing over here on this side. You know, we touched it. We might actually just pull back very briefly, maybe consolidate here just right under the 10K level, and who knows, we might give some time for the 200-day moving average to catch up a little, and it might be back off to the races again. So there is really no telling with what is going to be happening with the price of Bitcoin. In order to gain better perspective on this market, be sure to check out Bob Loukas. I'm going to be doing my best to put out content for you guys. The style of my videos, I think, is going to be very similar to his. You know, I feel like my personality also reflects that of somebody who's calm and cool in nature. So, and I'm not the type of person who's going to be putting out a lot of these hype videos talking about, you know, oh, the price of Bitcoin went up one day, the price of Bitcoin went down another day. I really want to look at it from a larger time perspective. So Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Before I go, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am going to be doing a giveaway here on the channel. I know this is a very early time for me to be doing a giveaway. I haven't yet built a following, but I feel like it is something that is going to help everybody kind of gain better understanding and help the adoption of the crypto space as a whole. So to give you guys a quick teaser, this is what I intend to be giving away on the channel. This is a Tangem Cardano card. This is super cool. I really like these cards and I can't wait to get my hands on one. I'm going to be ordering a few of them here in the coming days, and I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be giving one away here on the channel. All you have to do to be eligible to participate is be subscribed to the channel. Leave your comment that you would like to enter to win. Just say Tangem Cardano card or anything like that, and then just share it. Just post it on any type of social media channel and you'll be entered to win. Alright guys, well that is going to be it for this video. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Until next time, take care.